Okay guys, so we are back in the room. We're about to get ready to go out. We are going to happy hour, and yeah, we just now getting back. This is the room. Me and Tiana, we went to the liquor store and got something to drink. This is everything. This is what I'm wearing. So this is a dress from Fashion Nova. It's like a burnt orange off the shoulder sweater dress. And I'm going to wear my denim duster with it, which needs to be ironed. And these brown booties. Yeah. So I'm about to get ready to do my makeup and do her makeup. This is everything that I bought. Just a bunch of lashes. Everything is in here. Tools. These are all my brushes. Yeah. So I'm actually about to cut on some music. I think this is maybe Bluetooth, USB port, MP3. I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay. I'm actually very excited to be here. This is my first trip by plane, and the flight was actually pretty good. I didn't experience anything, but it was very smooth. This is the view from our room. You can see the interstate. I wonder if they can see me. I don't know, but I'm about to make a little drink. Let's see what I'm going to make. I think I'm going to do some crown and some cran mango. We got some cups. Crown is like my favorite drink of all time. That's a lot. Just poured in it. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay, so I'm trying to think what else I need for tonight as far as like accessories. Let me go in my bag and get my jewelry. So we're going to, I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of it, Park Avenue is in Dallas, and every Friday they have happy hour in between 5 and 6, and right now it is 3:43. So we have like an hour and a half to get ready because the passes that I got, they're not valid after 6. So we're trying to get there before 6 so we can use the passes and get 50% off. But if that doesn't happen, it will just be 10. And I also have a high school friend that lives here, and we're going to meet up with her later on. And yeah, I just feel like this trip is going to be a very nice, fun, exciting trip, and I just can't wait to get started, just having a good time and exploring the city. Dallas is very nice. Yes, for Dallas. So do I have any followers? They're in the Dallas, Fort Worth, Irving area. If you are, just comment down below. But yeah, we're about to get ready to go out. Okay, I know I look a hot mess, but I am getting ready to go. We are about to go to Park Avenue, which is a bar lounge type of deal. They have happy hour in between 5 and 8. And we're going to go because they also have a buffet during happy hour. So you just pay to get in, and of course it's a buffet, so it's all you can eat. And they have specials on the drinks, so I'm very, very, very excited. I'm just doing my makeup right now. The palette that I use on my eyes is the Saharan palette. No, the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And I also use the Prism palette by Anastasia. And I'm just applying my lashes right now. And I use the Cara lashes in the style 702. Not sure you can see them. Let's see, do I have another pair? Yeah, I have another pair. The 702 lash is my favorite lash, what I normally use in my videos. And I'm just going to apply them really quickly. Outfit of the night. This is a denim duster that I got from H&M. This is a kind of rust color dress that I got from Fashion Nova. And my boots are just fab. Outfit of the night. Where did you get your romper from?
Hi guys.
Where did you get your romper from?
Oh, I got my romper from I can't even remember.
It's cute. Your makeup. Who did your makeup?
Oh, Brittany.
Hi.
Brittany Renee. Yes, yes, yes.
All right, take shots.
Okay. Where is, I don't know my lotion. You got some lotion?
Yeah.
Okay. I got my watch. I just need some lotion. All right. Put that little bit on there and then.
Okay. I was hoping that we were going to have like a full view of downtown, but we're not downtown like how I thought we were downtown.
It's still good. We can
Yeah.
go down there.
Yeah.
All right.
I want to
Now,
see up there.
you already got shots ready?
Yeah, they're right there.
Okay, where my cup at? Right here.
Right there.
Where your cup at?
Okay, I already drank it.
Oh, okay.
You
gonna take nothing? Wow, I'm scared with these. I don't know how Dallas police
Yeah, I
is.
don't want to fuck with them.
Yeah, that's fine. All right, hold on. Where my? Let's go. I'm coming. Oh, here, go right here. Okay.
Set it off.
Okay, here we go.
Send it to me if you don't put it on Snapchat.
I am about to put it on Snapchat. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Shot time. Turn up. All right, y'all. Shot time. Turn
Woo.
up.
That was good.
No whatever.
All right.
Shot time. Turn up. All right,
Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Vlogging. Oh my
Snapchat
god.
when I get my tattoo.
Oh, so which way should I get mine then?
To you. I like mine.
You said yours are what? Straight up and
Straight up and down.
Yeah, I
Oh
had
no,
them
side to
done
side. Give them side to side.
I need to get them satisfied because I wear a lot of tight
I
shirts.
feel like I
I wonder what my mom gonna say when she see me too.
Yeah, I bet.
She probably gonna see it.
3 times.
My mom be looking at
Yeah,
me.
because at first I was snagging the hell out of
And
them.
then
That mother hurt
the
so bad.
fourth time I got them done.
You got them done 4 different times?
It's like breast implants.
Oh, okay.
So I had them normal and then normal and then normal, and then the fourth time I was like, I want to change it up. So I was
Yeah.
like that. I seriously feel like I actually put a lot less on my boobs, on my shirts, on my
The
bra.
bra, oh my
I feel like I
God.
get it
I
cut
really
less.
catch the towel. I be like, oh.
Oh my
Never
god.
catch them on a towel.
Oh my god. Y'all, I'm scared.
What you scared
so I'm gonna have, like, some
I gotta sit 15 to 20 minutes. You gotta sit for
That's not. I really get a tattoo than anything. I don't mind tattoos.
Oh no. Piercings is fast.
I have 8 tattoos, so I don't care about tattoos.
Piercings is fast.
She's quick though. Yeah, and I don't use clamps like freehand.
You freehand? Oh, okay.
Oh, you don't clamp? I got mine clamped.
Me too.
Sometimes I will, but not. It's just a
They
rare
too big to
occasion.
clamp. Huh? They too big to clamp.
Mine,
mine's bigger than
I do got some big ones, but yeah, you're bigger.
I kind of want to get mine done again.
Today is December 2nd.
Good. I don't know if I can handle that. Because I have them already, and I kind of want to.
I was telling her that I wanted the hoops now. I can't really put them in myself because I'm like trying to push it in and it's like, ah.
Yeah, it kind of catches on my.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes that happens.
So I'm like, maybe I'll
How old am I?
to push it in one day. Yeah.
It's just getting caught.
I need to go to the car.
Kind of close together.
Really?
Yes. I'm like terrified.
Why?
And